I'm gonna keep saving for a brand new Kawasaki. Bike lasts me like 10 more months. I'm not gonna buy a motor for it just yet. I'm gonna keep saving, you guys. For some reason, the hot Cheetos taste better with age.
Life is what you make it. While handling snakes, it's hard to trust these fakers. Face my opposition, often caught in the mix. Rock solid, sick of falling, still I'm lost in the drift. I symbolize the rise of soldiers still intact. Killing raps and savage, but spitting, but only spilling facts. You're damn right, my hands tight, so observe. I fight for my freedom and speak my mind to sight, so absurd. Most people are surface, search deep, deceived by false idols. They won't learn till they sleep. Life is full of up and downs, you're bound to face sorrow. Swallow pride, then pick it up and move on. Your face borrowed, so make the best of it. Lessons we learn to stretch a grip, protecting the ones that we love.
Española. On hood. I decided to go for a road trip today, you guys. Oh shit, look, they repainted the mural. That place used to be with an old guy riding a motorcycle. Now there's cars instead of a bike. They switched up on me, you guys. That's why I came over here, because there was a picture of a motorcycle on the wall, but now it's not there. My bike still looks great. It just doesn't have power, a lot of power, you guys, like it should, but it goes. I'm just afraid to rev the engine a lot faster, because I know it's engine failure is already starting to happen. Yes, ma'am. But I'm pretty sure I can ride this bike for like probably even 4 more or 5 years. Hey, you guys, I think those mechanics just want to take some money out of me, but I'm gonna keep saving. As soon as I have like $2,500, that's all I need for them to put the new motor on. But I'm probably still gonna keep saving, you guys. If this bike is still rolling, I'm gonna say I'm gonna keep saving for a brand new Kawasaki Vulcan Voyager 2025. Those are only $19,000. So if this bike lasts me like 10 more months, I'm not gonna buy a motor for it just yet. I'm gonna keep saving, you guys. If anything, it'll break and shit, and it'll leave me stranded. But I'll have a big fat wallet where I can take the where I can take a tow truck. So that's my plan, you guys. Or maybe when I have $2,500, I'm gonna call them and say, can I see a picture of the motor or something? Like, I'm worried that it's gonna be all rusty, because my motor's perfect. I still have to go to the car wash, you guys. I need to go wash my bike somewhere. It smells shit, and I hope it's this. Yeah, I think that's what it has to be. What I smell burning all the time, it has to be that. Okay, you guys. Make sure you guys vote for Donald Trump today. Today's the last day to vote. Tonight the election ballots close at 4, and then at 6 o'clock in California. On hood. I'm yelling at everybody to vote for Donald Trump today as I see them. If he doesn't win, you guys, I'm gonna be poor for the rest of my life. I probably won't ever fix my teeth. But I already have Medicare. I'm just waiting for my, what's it called? ID card to come in the mail. So as soon as I get that, I'm gonna start going places. But they said I can't start, it doesn't go into effect till January. That's just like 2 more months, you guys. Yeah, I plan on fixing my teeth, cause Donald Trump's gonna help me. Yes, he is. I had to put my jacket on cause it's kind of cold. I got my grandpa's Eagle on. Check it out. The other jacket was the one that I was wearing yesterday. It was all wet, full of water, so I couldn't even wear it. I'm wearing the gloves that I bought from Walmart, but these ones are waterproof. This morning they were all wet and cold, but I put them on and they're not leaving me wet and cold. So they're really waterproof, you guys. And I have my diamond teeth in here. Make sure I don't forget. I do not want to forget that. I stole some of Jasmine's or Skylar's hot Cheetos. Let's see if they're good or if they have a bunch of babas in them. Oh, these might even be my sister because she eats that fucking ramen noodle shit. Like she lives in prison or something. Oh yeah, these are good, you guys. These are some good hot Cheetos. For some, oh no. For some reason, the hot Cheetos taste better with age. I remember when I was in school, at the pool, me and all the kids used to get our sandals and stomp on the bag of hot Cheetos so we can have crumbs. And then we would lick our hands, get it all wet, and stick our hands in the bag and lick the crumbs off our hands. Stupid little kid shit. Just gonna eat a couple of these and then I'll put it away. Put it back in the saddlebag. That way my head doesn't start hurting. Because every time I smoke and I don't eat, my head starts hurting. Yesterday I was sucking on that wax pen, and when I went home, my head was hurting, you guys. Even when I was smoking the ganja with the wax on top, my head was hurting. And it doesn't really hurt with that, only with the battery. I really hope that my bike is not breaking, man. But like I said, we found the metal shavings in there, but I'm hoping it's just the remnants from when that guy changed the bevel gear. The boss said that that's plausible. Hopefully it's just the remnants. That's why I came up with that word. But the mechanic told me that that shit's impossible. So I don't know who to believe, you know? My friend at work told me just to go to different stores. I mean, different mechanics, so they can give you a different opinion. And I know I should do that too, but I'm kind of scared. So I'm just gonna keep saving some money until I have enough to buy a new motor. But if my bike is still running, I had to hear if I heard the fuel pump, you guys. That would be scary as fuck if I come far away from the house and my bike don't want to start. I got the every time I eat, I have to wait a couple of seconds before I blow on this shit. If I don't wait a couple of seconds, it's gonna take so long to analyze it. I kind of cleaned my windshield, you guys. I was scared to clean it with the paper towels because it's fiberglass. I'm afraid it's gonna make scratches on my windshield. That's why I want to fix this bike, you guys, because it's so fucking perfect. There's no reason for me to not ride it. But after I buy a new motor, I'm gonna try to save for a brand new bike, because I wanted to go all across the country, and I can't do that on this bike. This bike is fucking, it already has it's gonna get another motor, and I don't know where the fuck that motor is gonna come from. Anyway, I'm headed that way, you guys. I'm probably gonna go towards Santa, towards the Pinta. I'll hit you guys up when I'm out there. On hood. I gotta put my grandpa's leather pants on. Oh, what the heck is that? Hopefully I have money in here. I was gonna turn back around because I thought I heard shut the fuck up. Thought I heard a noise coming from the motor, like a tick tick tick, but it's probably normal. Just hearing normal shit. Vote for Donald Trump. Vote for Donald Trump. Vote for Donald Trump. Please, he's my last hope. Oh, sticker. I gotta pee. I'll pee somewhere else. Coming to you live from middle of fucking nowhere on Hood. Oh, for Donald Trump. So cold, you guys. Thank God I got out of the snow. It was fucking crazy. And then, oh my God, bathrooms. Well, I'll stop right here for the bathrooms. I don't think I've ever seen these bathrooms here before. This place is more popping on the weekends, you guys. I used to be off on the weekends, but now I'm off on Monday and Tuesday. My bike's doing great, you guys. I was really thinking, like, what if those guys don't know shit? Even though they're my mechanics, what if they say that it's just a fucking gearbox? Because I tell you, man, the gearbox seems totally fine to me. I don't know much about gearboxes and shit like that, but oh, turn it off. But like this Kawasaki shit is the smoothest bike ever. Yeah, like that's why they told me on the TikTok, how come I don't ride my old Yamaha? Did I sell it? Like, no, fool, it's like the center of gravity is very high, and when you put the kickstand up, it leans so far to the bottom. It's really heavy, and it to be honest, it feels like an old piece of shit. I'm sorry, Yamaha 1997. I love that bike so much, but it feels like a piece of shit compared to this one. My 2008 Kawasaki Vulcan Nomad on Hood. It's still very dirty, you guys. I didn't clean it. Speaking of very dirty, let's check out these bathrooms. Oh my God, what is this bathroom? Ray approves, but I don't approve of the smell. Alright, you guys. My bike. Very dark. Hello, baby. You looking all sexy over there, huh? You feeling sexy? You look sexy as fuck. Even your supposedly motor with a broken gearbox that's lagging very much. You feel sexy and you sound sexy. I feel sexy. Do I sound sexy as well? I'm pretty sure I do. That was nice that they had bathrooms over here, you guys. I'm gonna go to the Allsups and go get a burrito. That'll be my stop, and then from there I'll go somewhere else. I'm just glad that I made it out of the snowstorm. That was crazy, you guys. A big old snowstorm. It was just down there when I seen that there was over here it's like there's no snow in the mountains. I got extremely happy, you guys. Extremely happy. Oh, there's always an old ass Volkswagen over there or something parked right there that had Donald Trump's face on it. What the hell is this, a bus stop? No flip flapping way. Hello Madrid, I'm here. My cousin's name is Madrid. It's really hard to spell, but just spell it like Mad Ride, but without the E. Like Mad Ride. Madrid. Yeah. Keeping it 5'5", you 5 me? I'm pretty, yes I will fix it, but when I do buy a new motor, I'm good. It's very dirty, you guys. The mufflers don't look that dirty. That's all kinds of water and salt and shit from the snow. But when I do change the motor, I'm gonna try to keep this motor. I'm gonna try to lift it up myself and put it in my mom's car. Or if she doesn't want to give me a ride, because you know that's how she is whenever I ask for shit. She doesn't want to help me whenever I ask for something. So I might ask somebody else for a truck so I can put my motor in the back of their truck. That'll be embarrassing if I can't lift up the motor myself, you guys. I don't want to ask the mechanics for help, but if they want to help me put it in the car, thank you. Alright, you guys, let me take a smoke break right here, and then I'll It's very quiet. I'm not used to it being this quiet. Oh, I'm gonna take a smoke break up here. Oh hell no, look at that locomotive, you guys. I seen it all the time, but there was always a bunch of people, so I never went. But now that there's nobody here, I can come. Madrid Railroad. That's what it is, you guys. I'm here in the Madrid Railroad. Hey, 2008 Kawasaki Vulcan Nomad. Oh, I remember last time I was screaming that shit. It was the last day of vacation, and my fucking bike, you guys, I took it in to get an oil change, and they found metal shavings in my shit. So now I gotta save a bunch of money for a new motor, $1,500. But they also want $1,000 for labor. Yeah. I would be pissed if I tried to, if I put a new motor and it's still lagging and it doesn't have power. Because when I first bought it, I was trying to go fast as fuck, you guys. But now that I know that it has a broken gearbox, supposedly, I am not going fast as fuck. I don't even try to rum. I just, go with the speed limit and stuff like that. 2008 Kawasaki Vulcan, no man. What's this? What's this? Oh, that's where I bought Lauren's rock from, you guys. The quartz rock. I think it was $40. I don't remember. Yep. Crystal Dragon. All for you, Lori Bop. On Hood. Nice little town, you guys. I was astonished when I first came here, and I was like, what? Oh, this water's so clean, and it's in this big old rusty thing. That's what the heck? I don't want to touch that beer. I have not drank like already in 8 months, you guys. Not a sip. Ever since I got my breathalyzer on my bike, I don't want to drink at all. Pretty proud of myself. I told my ex-girlfriend this is gonna be the best years of my life on Hood. Hopefully I'm right, Oh yeah, I am right, because last year when I wrecked my bike twice and knocked my teeth out and shit, that was last year before I got the breathalyzer and I stopped, Now I stopped and I'm perfect. Okay, you guys, well, oh yeah, we gotta check out this railroad shit. I want to see what it looks like now that there's not a bunch of people over here. Have it all to myself. I also want to get a big old vlogging stick so I can hold my phone on it. Whoa! This is the place to eat, you guys. Shit, do I have Jasmine's hot Cheetos? I'm not going back down there for my bike. For my hot Cheetos. Oh, there's my bike. Look at that shit. Fuck yeah. You guys see it? Oh, baby. Oh. I'm so excited, you guys, to ride my bike in the summertime. Park it underneath a cherry tree and my bike looking like a cherry. I can't wait. I'm kind of doing it right now, but you know, I'm fucking stressing out about that motor and shit. So hopefully, I'm gonna do an oil change, and hopefully next time I do an oil change, there's not any metal shavings in it. And then I'll tell the mechanics, look, there's no metal shavings in it. So does that mean it's good? Pretty sure they'll try to tell me some bullshit like, well, that could mean that the teeth or the bearings are already all shot and there's no more metal to grab. You still need a new push rod. They'll tell me some bullshit like that, you guys. But I know they're right. They're mechanics, you know. I'm just a ding-dong that don't know shit. But I do know one thing. That Kawasaki Vulcan Nomad is so smooth, you guys. That's why I ride it, and I don't ride my old bike. Even though I told them at work and shit that I'm just gonna since I found out my bike has a messed up gearbox, I'm just gonna ride it to work and once to the breathalyzer appointment. But here I am riding it all over the freaking state and shit, just like my old bike. Only because I feel like it's doing good. I don't feel like nothing's wrong. I'm testing it out, and I'm also getting the oil through. That way, in case there is metal shavings, or if there's not, hopefully there's not metal shavings, that I'll know for sure, you know. It's broken, I need a new motor, or it was just a remnants of that bevel bearing. Okay, you guys, enough of me rambling on. Check it out. Check it out. AT and SF. So I'm pretty sure that means Santa Fe on the bottom. I don't know what 18 stands for. Probably Atlanta. Let's see if Herald investigates. Yeah. This is where they it looks like this is where they mine for the gold, you guys. On hood. Okay. Whoa. That was a little bit scary. Okay, you guys, I'm just gonna sit down and smoke real quick, and then I'll get back on my bike. This was a very nice spot. I'm gonna make an oath to myself. When I fix my bike, I just thought about my fucked up teeth, you guys. But I already told you guys I have insurance now and shit like that, Medicare or Medicaid, whatever the flip-flop it's called. Yes, I do. So whenever I get that card in the mail, I'll go make an appointment to get my grill fixed. I just don't like wearing my diamond grill, you guys. That shit, like, I just don't like it. And I thought, like, I don't fucking need to fix my teeth. I can pull them out. But that grill, I don't wear it all the time, you guys. I don't wear it any time, actually. Never. I used to wear the grill only when I make videos for YouTube and shit, but I don't even wear the grill no more. And it's over there in my saddlebag, you guys, on my bike. Keep going full ahead. All this has to be like some sort of... No way, there's a ganja farm. There's freaking weed farms everywhere, you guys. What? There is. Look, the green cross. Who would have thought? The green cross means the weed farm. Yes, it does mean that, though. Oh, but I was saying before, I rambling on about my teeth. That's me doing the weave, you guys, like Donald Trump. Very intelligent I am. I'm gonna make an oath to come over here and eat. Once I buy that new motor and shit and everything is fine and dandy with me and I have money to spend, I'll spend me like a good nifty nickel over here. I already bought Lori Bop a nice little crystal amethyst from the Crystal Dragons. There it is. Lori Bop. That's where it came from. But they sell that shit everywhere, you guys. Big giant amethyst rocks they have at different stores and shit like that. They are expensive. They're like $400, you guys, for a big giant rock. $400. What does this say? The Hurricane Bar? Cool. I'm gonna try to get some B-roll. Because you know how the TikTok doesn't like it when I smoke. So I have to have my back turned just to get... Oh my God, speaking of smoking, hello. Hello. Fucking ass. Fucking ass, you guys. Fucking ass. I guess I'm gonna have to smoke on this chair. You can't deny that, you know. That's all for me. What the flip-flop? Yep. Oh, my bike, you guys. Look at that. Oh, that shit looks so sick. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna set you guys up right here. I'll put this, you guys on this, the hands of life. On hood. Ew. I was touching this so I can make you guys stand up good. I gotta put the rock behind it first so it can stand up right. Right? I think so. I don't know. No, you guys, that shit's not gonna work. I'm just gonna, I'll just put you guys up like this. Who gives a fuck, huh? Alright. Can you guys see me? You guys can probably see me, huh? I have my torch in my pocket because for some reason it doesn't want to work whenever it gets cold, you guys. I gotta keep flipping it and turning it and shit like that just so it can work for me. So hopefully it wants to work for me right now. It's a torch, you guys. I don't know why TikTok deleted my video when I freaking had it. I was just at like Jalen's birthday. Freeze! And that video got deleted. Curse you, tickety talk. The hell? Always on my... Oh, no way. There's freaking corn right here, you guys. What? No flip-flopping way. That shit's sick. Hell yeah. Oh, I should have moved it around because last time I hit it, there was a bunch of freaking big old hole on the side because this piece, it doesn't have good airflow, you guys. It doesn't have good airflow. It's already ashes right now, you guys. So next time I decide to take a rip, it's gonna be good shit. Look, corn, you guys. Corn. I think this is corn. Let me know in the comments if you guys think this is... Look, is that a bug or is that corn? Where is it at? Where is it at? What is that? Has to be corn, huh? Yeah, you guys, that's for sure corn. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it, even though I'm tempted to take a piece of corn with. Oh, there's more of those things. Gross. What the hell are they? Ew. Look. There's baby ones here and there's giant long. Ew. The heck is that shit? Okay, you guys, well, that's enough messing around for now. Even though I didn't really, you know, I guess that was a good little video. This is what they used to find gold with, you guys, a dredge. Oh shit, they really welded it on here. I'm trying to move shit and I can't move nothing. Everything is fixed to the ground here. Look at that bitch. On hood. Give her a kiss, you whore. Yeah. This is a nice place, you guys. If I had a girlfriend, I would bring her over here. You know, I'll show her something new in life. If my grandpa was alive, that would be cool if me and him can come eat over here. That would actually be sick. Mad reefer dispenser, you guys. Sounds expensive, cannot. On hood. Oh, I know what that is. That's thing for the stove. My grandpa used to have one of these. We used to take it to Chemis and we used to eat off of it. Get some propane and put it on the stove. Oh, sick! That was sick! But mine is sicker, huh? That's why I kind of felt disrespected when my... Hold on. Gotta wipe my nose. Excuse me. Tie up, do it. Oh, ew! Grandpa's pants. Fuck it. I'm the kind of guy to wipe his boogers on the pants, and I see a lot of YouTubers. They are like, oh, my hands are all greasy. I need some napkins, mate. My hands, lad. But it's like, well, just fucking wipe it on your pants. What the hell? And then you're gonna throw that shit in the washer. You guys are, oh, my hands, lad. But it's like, oh, you're wasting paper towels. Okay. Well, coming to you live from Madrid. Me and my 2008 Kawasaki Vulcan Nomad. Get a good look at her, you guys. Because I'm about to buy her a new motor. Not new. I wish it was new, you guys. The guy was telling me how on bikes, when they wreck, these front forks cost like $18,000 or some shit. I don't know. But now I know, don't ever fucking wreck the front forks, Rick, because those are expensive as fuck. He told me when they wreck, the motor will be fine because they have engine guards. She was basically saying, I'm getting a salvage motor, you know? So I don't even look at my odometer. My odometer used to have like freaking only 26,000 miles when I bought it 25,000. I wanted to go like 100,000 or more on it, and I have to freaking buy a new motor. Basically, I got duped, you guys. I paid $4,000 for a beautiful beggar's dream. It really is my dream, you guys. Like that bike. The only thing that would be better is if I had a brand new Harley with screen on the radio and Bluetooth and heaters. That'd be cool. Hey. Yeah, you guys, but I love this bike. I'm gonna fix it no matter the cost. Even so, when people ask me how much was this bitch, well, I thought I got a steal for $4,000, but apparently I'm gonna have to fix it for another possibly $3,000 or $4,000 at the most. Hopefully the starter doesn't break or the fuel pump doesn't break, because I'm gonna tell them, like, can we just order a starter and a fuel pump? Imagine if I have bread to get that engine swap and then rebuild this one. That would be sick too, huh? Just you put that junkyard or whatever the fuck they're gonna buy me from who knows where. Put that engine in, ride it. Since I got that breathalyzer, you know, don't worry about it. Just make sure I can take it. I get lost with what I'm saying, you guys, when I see people and shit. It's very degrading trying to snap with the phone. That's why I want to get a camera. A camera with the stick will be more conservative. Forgot what I was saying, you guys, but coming to you live. This is the longest I've ever stayed here, you guys, because, oh, and you know my grandpa's pants? I found $1. Oh, my eye! I found $1 in my grandpa's pants. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Rest in peace, Grandpa Leroy Martinez, 1950 to 2017. It's my fucking rock. He was the coolest man ever, you guys. You guys don't know. Strong man. Good looking man. Rich man. He could fix anything, you know, always working with his hands. He was the man. My man. My grandpa. Leroy Martinez in Chile, New Mexico from Española. On hood. I'm wearing his pants. And his ring. He died like almost 10 years ago, you guys, and I'm still rocking his ring. I only pawned it once, just to find out if it was real, or just to get $100 like a crackhead. I shouldn't have pawned it, you guys, but I got it back. Yeah, I got it back. It's all I have left, you know. He's not around to give me nothing else, so I gotta cherish everything I got. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. What time is it? How come this place is so dead? Now's a good time for me to bust out the wax and put it on top of the ganja. On hood. Can you guys hear me, or do I gotta get the microphone? Sometimes when I watch my videos, it's like, man, I should have been screaming. You can't hear shit. So here I am, screaming. Yes, ma'am. Oh, because this place is called Madrid. That place is called Mad Reefer. Like Madrid. Mad Ride. I get it. Fancy. She said she wanna Undertaker. Yes, ma'am. Gotta get a stick, because I told you this wax is so fucking sticky, it's sticking to my fingers. On hood. Ah, I got a fucking piece of wood stuck in there. No. I'm just gonna have to melt it on there. I don't like that shit, you guys. I should have it's better to have some put it on top of some ashes. Just gotta get some toilet paper to blow my nose like I'm a big old mocoso. Knock knock. Donald Trump. On hood. Here I am. Oh. Okay, you guys, well, it's been real. Ray Pimpin', Ray's Life 4K on the YouTube channel. Make sure to like and subscribe this shit so I can get some new teeth next year. And so I can buy a new motor for my bike. We are not gonna be held I am not gonna let a busted up motor mess up my dream of a touring the United States. And then when I fix this bitch, my baby, 2008 Kawasaki Vulcan Nomad, I'm gonna start saving 20 grand to buy a brand new Kawasaki Vulcan Voyager. Until next time, click here, 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 anywhere on the screen to watch my next video. Until then, we're out. Who's out? Kawasaki Vulcan Nomad, baby. Look at that shit. Oh yeah, this is a better one. Better look. Look at that shit. Sparkle, you guys. Sparkly. 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 Speaking of sparkly, I got my diamond teeth in my saddlebag. Don't be hating on me. All right, you guys. From Madrid, Old Coal Town. Peace. Like and subscribe. Vote for Donald Trump. Telling the people in Madrid to vote for Donald Trump. Vote for Donald Trump. Gotta vote for Donald Trump. He's our last hope. Vote for Donald Trump. Well, I hope you guys like Madrid town. Goodbye. Got me a corn dog and that's it, you guys. Just a corn dog. I want it. And a dime. I wanted some of those burritos, but he didn't have none. Stupid little guy in there. Stupid little motherfucker. He told me, I don't have no ketchup or no mustard. I was like, okay. And then I said, how much are the corn dogs? He's like, I don't fucking know. He's like, how much are they? And he's trying to be nice. Like, $3.24. Bad experience, you guys. And then when it was like anything else, boss, I was like, nah. He's like, I have ketchup. You want ketchup? I was like, no. I looked him in the eyes. I said, no. And he was like, okay. Like, cool, I don't fucking like ketchup or mustard. Shut the fuck up. Just give me my plain shit and that's it. On hood. Vote for Donald Trump! Vote for Donald Trump, you guys. Today's the day. Vote for Donald Trump! Vote for Donald Trump! Vote for Donald Trump! Vote for Donald Trump! Cruising, you guys. My bike sounds perfect. Hold on. for Donald Trump. Vote for Donald Trump. Vote for Donald Trump. Vote for Donald Trump, you guys. He's gonna win today at 6 o'clock. If he doesn't win, I'm gonna call it quits and just give up in life. Whoa, I needed to wash my bike and I didn't wash my bike. Vote for Donald Trump. 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 He did not like that. Today's the day, you guys. Spreading awareness. Vote for Donald Trump. 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 They hear the vote for Donald Trump, they know what's coming up next. I think there's a guy behind me in a MAGA hat. On hood. Trump. Vote for Donald Trump. Vote for Donald Trump. Well, I got my American flags on me right now. On hood. Today's the last day, you guys. The polls will be closed at 6 o'clock at Eastern State, 8 o'clock Southern State, and over here at 5 o'clock Pacific State. Make sure you get out and vote for Donald Trump. You guys gotta get out and vote for Donald Trump. He has to win. He has to win. Get out and vote. I want to be rich and powerful like Donald Trump. Here comes a white girl. I'll tell her right now. Vote for Donald Trump. Vote for Donald Trump. Trump. I'm fucking telling them, dog. I'm fucking telling them. How many times have I told them? Vote for Donald Trump. Vote for Donald Trump. Vote for Donald Trump. Vote for Donald Trump. Get out and vote for Donald Trump, you guys. Today's the last day to vote for Donald Trump. Get out and vote for Donald Trump. Today's the day to go vote for Donald Trump. He knows. I don't discriminate. I tell everybody to vote for Donald Trump. If he doesn't fucking win, it's over. Vote for Donald Trump. Vote for Donald Trump. Vote for Donald Trump. 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 Man, I hate these red lights. I hate nothing more than these red lights. Vote for Donald Trump. Vote for Donald Trump. I wonder if I'm cruising through the pumpkin patches. Vote for Donald Trump. 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 Alright, you guys, I'm gonna say bye. That was Vote for Donald Trump. Like and subscribe on Hood. I'm gonna go wash my bike and go for a cruise and listen for my motor. My broken gearbox, supposedly.